Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ẹ káàsán ẹ̀yin òbí wa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà sì ni Afas. The video for today is meant for the parents and the scholars, so-called scholars. The reason I'm saying this is we should not after what you want to eat and forsake the future. No. Yeah, I'll be showing us two videos now. That we Muslims should know what we've gotten ourselves to, the pepper we've prepared for ourselves. A full-aged murder doesn't know how to recite Surah Al-Fatiha, and she is a murder, Muslim murder. And you also see another female, young one. She tried to recite Ar-Rahman, and she is no more a Muslim. That's why I said today I'm after the parents and the scholars, the Afas. When we are saying those that you are teaching, you should teach them, let them understand, let them know who Allah is. Let them understand their religion. You said, those, they are Alakatakiti. And all this mess we found ourselves, especially in Yoruba land, it is from the Afas. Because some of this murder, we actually come down to you to ask you, my child told me this, my child is doing this. If you affirm it, they will accept it. If you discourage them, they will discourage the child. They will even beat the child. So if you see the way they are afraid, you see that we have many things to correct. The parents that are supposed to be guiding their children did not even know how to read the Quran. How will they understand? And to the affairs that you set up Salatu, you don't even teach them. You rather dance, you rather sing. Is this what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask us? And we are ready to answer them? Allah forgive us. So.